Candida here, and I ordered the Read and Master Phonics flashcards. It's a set of 67 cards, and you get the key rings. And so here we're going to open them up and look at them together. So here we can put our key rings on them. You can put them all on one key ring if you want to. But at the bottom of each set, it tells you what the set is all about. So set 1 is the short A cards, and so all of the blue lined cards are going to do with short A. And then as we move on to set 2, it's green. So they're also color coded. And this one is I can read short E cards. My daughter is in 2nd grade. She'll be going on to 3rd grade. But what I wanted to do was get her flashcards so over the summer, we can continue to work on phonics. Reading is one of the skill sets that's just essential as you continue to grow. And so I wanted to make sure that just over the summer, we don't lose what she's worked very hard on. And so with the flashcards, we're able to do these at the house. We can take them in the car. And so we can just take these with us. And it's something that we can flip through and just work with as she continues to develop her reading skills. So if you are in the area of looking at phonics cards, this is what these cards are going to look like. And on the beginning of each set, you will know what that set is going to work with. So there's a total of 67 cards. You can break them up into 2 sets like this. You can put them all on one key ring. Really, anything goes. So I hope you found this review helpful.